artists. Join me as we draw Daddy Pig as a playful, cartoon-style villain. He is pretending to be a villain for fun. He might even come up with a silly plan. Let's get started. Daddy Pig loves to play dress-up, and today he's a playful, not-so-mean villain. If you were a villain, what would your super sneaky name be? I'd be the Snack Snatcher. Instead of stealing treasures, Daddy Pig's villain plans are all about pranking George and Peppa. What kind of funny villain plan do you think Daddy Pig might come up with? Maybe hiding all the socks? It would be funny but silly. Look, Daddy Pig has opened his eyes. I think he is having fun taking in his surroundings. His cape is extra shiny because every villain needs a dramatic entrance. Daddy Pig loves to laugh like a villain, but he's just being silly. Do you think villains should always say mwahaha, or could they just giggle? Let's try both. Great! Daddy Pig as a villain is looking so cool. Now, let's bring him to life with colors. Grab your crayons or markers and let's make him and his outfit extra sneaky. His favorite villain weapon is a spoon, perfect for sneaking extra pudding. Peppa and George think Daddy Pig's villain costume is hilarious. Daddy Pig's not very sneaky. His big footsteps always give him away. If Daddy Daddy Pig had a secret hideout. Where do you think it would be? Could it be on the couch? Where he snacks on popcorn? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Daddy Pig's villain name is the Great Pudding Snatcher. What do you think of Daddy Pig's villain costume? Does he look sneaky or silly? I think both. Would you rather be a hero or a villain? I think being a mix of both could be fun. What's your favorite thing about villains? Their costumes, plans, or cool hideouts? I like all of them. Daddy Pig were a hero instead, what superpower do you think he would have? That's interesting. Amazing! Daddy Pig as a villain looks so mischievous and fun. Share our drawings and tell them all about Daddy Pig's sneaky, but funny plans. We had so much fun drawing together today. See you next time.